And children under 12 can't be vaccinated, and some are ending up in the hospital.
As Sabrina Wilson reports, a children's hospital physician calls the Delta variant infectious disease experts' worst nightmare.
This latest surge in COVID-19 cases is not sparing children. Of the more than 11,000 new cases,
2,079 of those cases are children. From today's report. And we know, we told you this last week, those under 29 are driving the surge.
The state's report shows kids 0 to 4 account for 471 of those cases. The rest are kids 5 to 17, and doctors who treat children are concerned.
I am as worried about our children today as I have ever been. This virus, the Delta variant of COVID, is every infectious disease specialist and epidemiologist's worst nightmare.
The highly contagious Delta variant has taken hold in Louisiana and is fueling the fourth surge in cases. And despite what some may have thought, kids can get the virus and get sick enough to be hospitalized. Dr. Leron Finger is Chief Quality Officer at Children's Hospital New Orleans.
I think they're wrong. I think in the first 15 months of this disease, kids were certainly hospitalized at rates much lower than in the adult population. But over the last month, we've seen many more children admitted to our hospital and pediatric hospitals across the country.
This is just further evidence that Delta is really a different animal than what we've seen in the past.
There were people who said children don't get the disease, they can't transmit the disease. We know that those were fallacies all along, but particularly now that the Delta variant has emerged, it has become very clear that children are being heavily impacted by this organism and by this pandemic at this point, perhaps more than ever.
And now as kids begin heading back to school, there's a new mandate that everyone be masked indoors.
We do believe that you can have a safe return to school as long as adherence to that universal masking indoors is adhered to.
What we learned last year is that when everybody was wearing masks, as we were, the rate of transmission of the virus in school was incredibly low.
And Ochsner Health, Louisiana's largest nonprofit health care system, tells us it has 18 kids hospitalized with COVID-19 across its health system. Lee?
All right, Sabrina, it was a rainy day, but that helped keep temperatures a bit lower.
Yeah, Chief Meteorologist David Bernard joins us now with what you can expect for the rest of the work week.
Not such a bad change after weeks